Today we're going to talk about how to add video to your Google site. And there's a couple ways you can do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page, just so I have a different page to put it on than my title page. So I'm going to add a page, click on pages up here, click on new page, and we're going to title it video, hit done, and it'll open up a new page for me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add video to this page. There's two ways that you can really do this. You can add it from your Google Drive. So if I click on Drive like we showed in the other video, it'll pull up my whole drive. I'm going to search, if you don't know the name of it, you probably have to look that up, but I'm going to search video because I know I have a video folder. Click there. Here's some videos that I have. So I have some videos here. If I click on it, it'll let me insert it, and it'll put that video directly in there. The key when I share it from my Google Drive is to make sure the settings on that video are so that people can view it, that it's available to be viewed. Anyone with a link or anyone online can view that so that people can see it. Otherwise, they won't be able to when they click on it. So that's adding from your Google Drive. Again, get rid of that really quick. Click from Drive, find your video, okay, click on it, insert it, and it puts that video right in there. And just like everything else, you can make this, drag it to make it bigger, maybe. Doesn't really want to work right now. There we go. Drag it to make it bigger, drag it to center it if I want to center it, and it'll put it in there. Okay. The other way to add video is through YouTube. So if I go up here, find your YouTube video that you want. Here's something that I've made. If I click on this video, pause real quick, but there's a share button right here. If I click on the share button, I want to take this link for that video. So take that link, copy that link, and I want to go back to my site. And if I scroll down on the side here, there's a YouTube button. And if I click on that YouTube button, it'll ask me for video search. I can just paste that YouTube link in there, hit search, and it'll pull up this right here. So if I want to put this in here, I click on it, hit select, and again it puts that video directly in there as a YouTube link, and they can play it directly from that site. Again, I can drag it to make it bigger, I can center it, I can do whatever I want to reformat that or resize that. So that's how you add video to your Google site.